Cops hunt driver after crash leaves 20 plus people hurt. Good evening and thanks for joining us at Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Education and Transport Ministers to meet about students' safety concern in Clarendon.
Chaos along Marcus Garvey Drive in Kingston after rain caused flooding.
Then what will the National Works Agency do about that problem? We have a live report.
There's also the Financial Week, International Stories, our Bite of the Week, sports commentary and weather. In this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
We're repeating a question from last night. Have you ever been discriminated against or treated differently because of your hair or hairstyle?
We're asking that question again in the wake of the hashtag #UnkemptJA, and we'll share some of the comments about hair circulating on social media.
You can also share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.